Welcome to News for You. It is clear that for the people in power, Jahan is the only thing that matters. Jahan is secondary. We all need to think about one simple fact before we step out. There is a risk of getting infected, and if we do so, our family will also get infected for sure. So is stepping out more important than the well-being of our loved ones? Politicians and prominent business personalities, many of them who have not stepped out from their fancy houses, will want us to step out because they need us. But they for sure will not pay for the treatment if you are infected. For them it is safe because most of them have offices bigger than the house we live in, so they are protected in their fortresses. Some say malls are safe. Eating at restaurant is also safe. I would request them to lead by example and visit these so-called safe places without their VIP cover. Then I shall truly believe it is safe. Experts say lock your elderly parents inside one room and do not interact with them. If it is safe, why do we need to do this? And is it practically possible to do this? We the common citizens are putting our lives and the lives of our family at risk every time we step out. So is the risk greater than reward? We all need to evaluate that before we step out of the house. No one is going to come and save us. No one is going to protect us. No one is going to pay for our treatment if we get infected, God forbid. Please think before you step out and do not believe anyone who says it's safe. If it was safe, we would not have such high number of cases daily. Thanks for watching. Samir Alwalia reporting for News for You.